Hi, 7th grade ELA. I hope y'all are doing well. Yesterday was our live 2 class session, so Monday and Tuesday of next week from 11 to 11:50, that's going to be our next live class, so make sure to be there. I have office hours every day from 2:40 to 4 p.m. If you want to stop by, say hi, all that good stuff, I'm here for you. And then Friday is Friday Flex Day, so make sure that if you need any one-on-one support or want to do like a small group, or just want to say hi or have any questions, so for sure let me know. I'm by my computer all day Friday. Our learning target for today is I want us to be able to recognize when you need to have a break and the ability to have different strategies in your pocket so you can bring them out for when you might need some extra help. So our plan for today is to look at these different strategies so you have that support and that relief in your life. So when you are feeling stressed or overwhelmed, you know when you need to take a break. So you might be wondering, how do you know if you even need to take a break? So some ways that you can know are if you're feeling restless. So feeling restless is like if you sleep at night for a good 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours, but when you wake up, you still feel groggy. Not just like when you first wake up, but like you're up and you're moving and you're just not feeling it. You feel like you didn't really sleep at all. You feel like you could use another night of sleep. That's restlessness. Another way to know that you need to take a break is if you're awake at all hours of the night, if you suddenly start eating differently, if you suddenly feel like you don't have any motivation, you feel zapped of all your energy, if you have a hard time concentrating, or maybe you feel indifferent about life, you're maybe feeling more cynical or negative, maybe you feel more withdrawn from your classes and your teachers and your friends and your family. Or if you're just not enjoying things that once brought you happiness that you had joy in. So what I want to do to start us off with is I want us to start with a deep breathing meditation. And so I'm going to do it as I'm reflecting on myself and how I'm feeling right now. So right now I am kind of feeling anxious. I kind of just feel that way in general when I have to record my videos and it just kind of feels weird and it's not like how I normally am teaching. Maybe I feel a little bit like short-tempered. Is that how you spell it? No, it's like short-tempered. Short-tempered. Okay, I'm not seeing like a spelling mistake, so there's that. And I just feel really tense. Like my body feels very tense. Maybe I could like chill. Probably could chill. But that's how I'm feeling before our deep breathing meditation. So now what I'm going to do, and I'm going to have this document available for you guys on Schoology. So maybe if you could have like your mom or a sibling or your dad or your adult in your life, if you want to practice this mindful breathiness, you can. They can just read it out loud. So I have to stay sitting up, but if you want to like lay down as you listen and close your eyes or feel comfortable, you can. So as your body settles and you close your eyes, bring your awareness to your breathing. Notice the breathing coming in and the breathing coming out. Follow the breath of your awareness. Follow the breath all the way in and follow the breath all the way out. Not trying to change it in any way, just breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in, feeling the breath as you're passing through your nostrils. Breathing out, feeling the breath as it moves through your nostrils. Keeping your awareness lightly and gently on your breath. Breathing mindful in your present moment. Breathing in, I know I am breathing in, and breathing out. I know I am breathing out. If your thoughts come in as they always do, acknowledge those thoughts without judgment and let them go. Let them drift away like the clouds floating across the sky. And bring your awareness back to your breath, back to your breathing, back to the present moment. Breathing in, I know I am breathing in. And breathing out, I know I am breathing out. Each time your attention moves from your breath, distracted by your thoughts about something you have to remember, to do perhaps, or maybe that something is bothering you or worrying you. Notice the thought, acknowledge the thought, and let it go. Bring your awareness back to your breath, back to the present moment. Let in your full awareness on the breath as it comes in and as it goes out, noticing the familiar rhythms of the breath. And if you want, you can keep working on reading this. I'm going to go ahead and pause where we are because I don't want the video to be too long. But right now I just feel really calm. My body feels heavy. Like I could go take a nice heavy nap. And I feel relaxed. I don't feel very stressed. My shoulders feel very relaxed. And I feel pretty good. So there are some other ways where you can take a break. And I'm actually going to go ahead and put this down for a second and pull it up over here. I think you can see it a little bit better. But I really like this visual because it talks about all the different ways that people could take a break. So one of the ways, so everybody does relax in a little bit different ways. One way is like the deep breathing meditation. That feels really good to me. For you, it could also look like maybe meditating, reading a book, writing in a journal, going for a walk outside, eating a meal in silence, buying flowers, calling a friend, finding like relaxing scents that maybe you could use, reading or watching something funny, the farmer's market, going for a climb, running could be it, taking a nap, listening to music. It all is up to you. So there's different ways of people how you can relax. I'm going to upload this link right over here, and if you would like, you could take one of these coloring pages and take it to Notability, or if you have access to a printer at home, you could print it off. Totally up to you. To me, those coloring sheets do not relax me. And that's kind of because I'm like a type A, organized little OCD freak a little bit. But if that's what helps you when you need to take a break, go for it. So today what I want you to do is submit on Schoology how you're going to take a break. What is that going to look like for you? Think about like the before and after for emotions that are going to take place. If you're doing the deep breathing activity. Sorry about the phone, you guys. And also I just want to make sure you guys know that if you want someone to talk to, or you have, you need someone to talk to, I'm here for you, but so are your teachers, as long as you have, wow, that phone, someone to talk to them. And if you don't know Miss Catherine, she's our MYP counselor. I think most of y'all know her. But I have her email there and her cell phone, so you can call her or text her and just let her know if you need someone to talk to. But just make sure to submit to Schoology what you want to hold on to, or some ideas that you have for your best strategy for when you're needing a break. And I hope to see you guys at office hours, and please let me know if you have any questions. Bye!